In this video, super admins will learn how to assign the new case admin permission to an admin within your org. The case admin permission is a custom role with permission that will be required in order for admins to open a case. This permission allows the user to see their own cases they have opened within the Okta Help Center. This permission is assigned by default to super admins. Super admins can assign this permission to other Okta admins within their org. To create and assign a custom role with this new permission, please log in to the Okta Admin dashboard, navigate to Security, Administrators, and select Resources. From the Resources page, select Create New Resource Set. Give the resource set a name. We will call it Case Admin Permissions. Then, under Resources, click on Add Resource. Under Find a Resource Type, select Support Cases. Choose the option for cases opened by the admin, and then save the selection. Click on Create to create the new resource set. Once the new resource set has been created, a new role needs to be created. Click on Roles and Create New Role. Give the role a name and add a description if desired. Under Select Permissions, search for case which should return the support permission name. Under this support permission, choose the option for View, Create and Manage Okta Support Cases permission. Then click on Save Role. Now that we have created the new case admin role, we can assign it in two different ways. The first option is to select Edit and View or Edit Assignments from the new case admin role. Search and select the admin who should be assigned the role. Under Resource Set, select the case admin permission, and then click Save Changes. The second option is to assign this directly from the admin record. Navigate to Directory, People, and then search for and click on the admin who should have this role assigned. From the admin record, select Admin Roles. Then click on Edit Individual Assignments. Under Complete the Assignment, select Add Assignment. From the Role dropdown, choose the Case Admin role and under Resource Set, choose the Case Admin permission, then click on Save Changes. This concludes the steps to add and assign the new Case Admin permission to an admin within your org. This role will be required for any admin who needs to open and manage a case on the Okta Help Center. This is automatically assigned to super admins by default. As a super admin, you will need to assign this to the admins who should have this access within your org. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.